Hello. In this video, we'll show how to log into the SETAFAccount web application and explore the user interface's main sections. First, we open the email received from SETAF Communications and click the link shown as account.setaf.org. On the screen that appears, we'll enter the username and password from the email. Copy the password from the email. Paste the password. On first login, the system asks for the username. If you have logged in before, it may appear automatically. If not, type it manually. It must end with setaf.org. Since this is the first login, the system will ask us to change our password. I enter the current password. Now enter the new password I've chosen. This password must include uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Now enter the new password again. This brings us to the main screen of the SETAFAccount web application, as you can see here. There are two main tabs in the menu on the left. Let's open the first one, the Profile tab. This tab includes your username, email address, country, city, and other user-related information. You can update these details if needed. Now let's move on to the other tab. In the SETAF 2018 tab, you'll find license number, user ID, and activation key information. In addition, you'll also see the license start date, end date, and how much time is remaining. This information is synchronized with the desktop software. Additionally, you can view the list of machines linked to your license in this web interface. You can also reset the license for the currently activated machine or any registered machine. Thanks to the SETAFAccount web application, you can manage your user and license information securely through the web. To exit the application, simply click the Logout button. Thank you for watching.